Hello world, siema, dzień dobry wszystkim, I am from TheMonkeys. Today I'm in the area of Grand Ina Hotel in Sanur, just behind me, beautiful tower. A lot of changes is going around. The hotel is officially closed right now for approximately another 10 years. So I'm gonna talk all about this one today. Meanwhile, enjoy the beautiful landscapes. Not vlogging often in the northeast part of the Sanur. It's very low tide and not so many people actually around. Okay, maybe not only about this topic, so stay tuned because not everyone are interested about this place of Sanur. I'm gonna move to different part of the Sanur in the second half of the video, guys. Meanwhile, over there in the background, you can see the construction of the new harbor, what's gonna be used for going to Nusa Penida Islands, but it's not finished yet. And this is the last view of the towers of Grand Ina Hotel in the shape how it looks now, because it's gonna be totally changed in the future. Also looks very old already. It's like a 50 years old hotel, guys. That's gonna be just memory. Remember this shot, because in next 10 years this shot is gonna be just memory, like many other things, guys. So actually what's going on? Actually you cannot see much because of this beautiful 3-meter high plastic wall next to the hotel. They finished it in the few days ago, and it's like totally area of the Grand Ina Towers, what is behind me, and part of the hotel gardens Ina. I mean only gardens bungalows are open, but when it was the hotel, it's also closed, and full entire Grand Ina complex will be closed because there is the huge project of construction of the international hospital in Bali. This project gonna take at least 10 years until fully finished, of course subject to delays, and probably it's gonna be. And well, currently is the wall, huge wall, and this wall have to last for 10 years, and it's plastic one. However, they have a nice fundaments, but it's plastic. So I don't know, when they make a reconstruction of the Hyatt hotel, they also put the fence, but about 1.5 meter high, 2 meter high. This one is like 3 meter high, and also there was metal one. This one is plastic one, so maybe actually better plastic than metal one, because the metal one in the Hyatt in the past few years, last construction years, looks actually terrible and falling apart. This one have a fundament and it's plastic. Maybe it will be better. Anyway, huge projects are around, guys. Currently also this area looks totally empty and deserted. Some random people going to the beach. Well, you have there was the chapel here. There's a fence. They are still making some construction. I mean, they're fixing something. Actually, they're washing the wall to looks clean. This is government own property and government project, so probably they're gonna really try to keep it nice look from outside, but they keep the palm trees, coconut trees, mix them up. But yeah, they're cleaning, so let's see, guys. The only thing what left is the restaurant between Ina Hotel and Garden Ina. Is still open, however the fence is all around behind, and there are some elderly tourists who are still enjoying the facilities. But this is like an end of some era, especially this hotel was established at the beginning of 70s, so it's 50 years of history. Well, you can see over there, it's already empty restaurant left, and well, you can still come and enjoy the rest what left. And technically they just finished the fence and they starting just cleaning around. I saw some people on the rooftop, on the roof of the towers, also doing some cleaning stuff. They making preparation. The construction, the demolition and construction didn't started fully yet, but probably it's gonna start in upcoming days or weeks at least. And that's gonna be a huge project. Not sure if I'm able to fly drone over there. However, for sure, time to time I'm gonna show you the progress. Meanwhile, this is the garden and still open. Gardens are still open. The only part of Grand Ina what left, they are bungalows here, like this ones. They are still open, and there are actually some tenants. I don't know if they're long term or they are just still tourists. Also, some local people living there. They are beach. It looks very desert. I know the weather is very bad today. I mean, cloudy and everything, but it's very required. Definitely there are some people still there. And also interesting fact is this one. I hope so they're gonna make it new, and probably they're gonna start here because of the project. I'm not sure if they're gonna keep the old bricks or they're gonna put the new ones like this one to look same. Meanwhile, this is the last look of the gardens, bungalows. Grand Ina Gardens Bungalows, exactly the name, and not sure if they're gonna keep it or they're gonna demolish them also. What's going on? Some local people having some activities like I don't know, some gymnastic activities. The only what's going on. So the swimming pool situation is still open and still operated. I saw somebody swim before when I was going to the towers, but already very quiet. That's it about the Grand Ina. I told you what I know. If you have any question, I will try to find more information and answer you soon. Meanwhile, this is the sign is gonna be construction very soon, and meanwhile I'm gonna show you a little bit of the Sindhu area. Officially already much busier over here. Let's check this out. Definitely much quieter than during holidays, Indonesian holidays. However, still people enjoying. Even during the midweek there are some tourists here enjoying their time, and some warungs, boutiques, shops around. I'm gonna show you in case if you're interested about this side of Sanur. Actually, there are some tourists sitting and enjoying their time. That's for sure. They make a tree looks like a super tree in Singapore a little bit. This is next to Segara seafood restaurant with the very characteristic lobster. Also, some people cycling around. Something is going on. That's for sure. However, seems like it's getting to be quiet again. I don't know, it's like there are some stages, you know what I mean? Sometimes it's busy, sometimes it's just simply nothing is happening, and this is the loud music. So but it's Segara village, totally refurbished, very modern, and everything earlier or later gonna look like this in Sanur. That's everything what it seems like it's going into that direction, guys. Also, this Segara village, we used to vlog inside. It's totally brand new, refurbished, very modern, very fancy looking, still affordable. And well, like I said, that was also very old hotel, and they have to change it, or they wanted to change it. They are still Balinese owned, actually. I'm pretty sure as they are Balinese owned. So everything is going into this direction, and this is the Tutsi. So somebody asked me about that. There's some lady trying to sell you something. So for everyone who are missing, look to cafe. I don't know where are the waiters, and a little bit of the parking area, and well, Sindhu 2. I calling Sindhu 2, actually got confused which one is actually Sindhu, which one is not. Sindhu hotel is over there. This is the little sanctuary for the charters. Came here inside. There are some tourists. There are charter sanctuary right now, totally new. There are some small charters, actually quite many around, any kinds. So it's really nice. Oh, here is the bigger one. Hello. They looks very healthy and very nice. I hope so. They're gonna keep like this one. And this one, I don't know if you can see. Oh, they are very big actually, and older. Yes. Hello. Close? Okay, I'm so sorry. Thank you so much. Go home. Thank you. It's closed. All right, guys. Yeah. Very nice guy, by the way. Awesome. People, Amphibia was here. Everything has changed here right now into more fancy stuff. Also quite a lot of local and foreigners as well. And this is the situation on the Sol on the beach. For everyone who is interested to stay in the area over here also, this is for yeah, the beach is restaurant is open. Also there are a few more. New one is Komaneka over there, and Benos. Markets open around, and this is the Benos restaurant. Some tourists enjoying their time in the restaurant, and on the other side is also actually so many constructions everywhere. So this part of Sanur is very like going into development and stuff like this, guys. Meanwhile, I would like to say thank you so much for watching. Maybe would you like to comment something, ask me something? Okay, sometimes I have difficulties to answer all of your comments, especially if I'm busy, but I always, even one day later, I will answer your comment. Definitely, I'm reading all the comments all the time. So why not? Maybe would you like to comment something? And well, this is the view of the beach, Grand Ina, still over there. The towers will stay. That's what I know, as they're not gonna demolish the hotel itself. They're gonna just make it, pump it up, refurbish, and make it newer, more modern look. However, the towers will stay. Meanwhile, that's the beach in Sanur. Very peaceful life, what I can say. Also so many, maybe not so many, but there's some foreigner, international tourists around, and with this beautiful accent, I would like to say thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care.